Hi everyone, welcome to Art at Home with Mrs. Bodden. So today we're going to be drawing from this book, Drawing Animals Shape by Shape. Today we're going to draw Rascal the Cat. So get your pencils, your markers, your crayons, whatever you're going to draw with, and grab a piece of paper and let's go ahead and get started. So Rascal is based out of a rectangle. So we're going to start with a rectangle. Today I'm going to use my lovely orange marker and we're going to get started. So we're going to start with a horizontal rectangle. Horizontal, remember, goes side to side. So, horizontal rectangle. Now, next we're going to add in our kitty cat face. And I'm going to go ahead and draw that in some black, just to give it a little bit of a change in color. So we're going to start with a nose. Give him a little upside down triangle of a nose. Kind of color it in. Give him more of a triangle mouth. Give him a little bit of a nose. And then I'm going to give him 2 circle eyeballs. So 1 eyeball, 2 eyeballs. Next, we're going to give him a little bit of eyebrows because you want him to look kind of cute. After that, I'm going to switch back to my orange. So we've got my cat face. I'm going to go ahead and switch back to my orange. Give him some ears. So we're going to do triangle ears. So I'm going to line up the edge with a straight line and go ahead and give him some triangle ears. So now Rascal's got some triangle ears and I'm going to give him kind of a rectangle shaped body. Not quite a rectangle because I want it a little bit wider at the bottom. We're going to come over and come up just a little bit because I want to give him 2 legs. So there my Rascal kitty cat has 2 legs. Next, we're going to give him some front paws. So these are his back legs, and we're going to give him some front paws. To do that, we're going to draw, again, 2 rectangles. So I'm going to draw 1 rectangle on this side. I'm going to draw 1 rectangle on that side. Now, I don't need these lines inside, so I'm going to go ahead and just erase them. And now we're going to add some more details to make our kitty cat look more like a kitty cat. So I've erased those lines. I can now erase these lines up here. And we can draw what would be the inside of his ears. So draw some little inside of his ears. We can give him some little almost fingers so he looks like he's got some paws there. He still needs a tail, so let's go ahead and give him a tail. If you want his tail to have a little bit more fuzz or fur on it, go ahead and give him some furry hair. And then you can erase those lines since we don't need them anymore. Give him some whiskers. Let's go back to black for my whiskers. So I'll go back to black for my whiskers. Now if you want to give him some hair of a different color, go ahead and give him some hair. If you want to give him more of a worried look, you can give him some wrinkles around his eyes. It gives him kind of a worried look. He needs a collar now. I'm going to go ahead and cap my orange marker before I end up writing all over myself. Let's go ahead and give him a little bit of a collar. And now you've got your Rascal. Now would be a great time to go ahead and color it. You could give him a background. You could show what he's worried about or what he's scared of. And he turned out pretty cute. Now, those of you that are sharing your artwork with me, great, thank you. Now would be a great time. Show me your artwork. Send it to me through email. Send it to me on Class Dojo. Let me see how you're doing. Let me see what you're doing. I'm sure it's all wonderful and beautiful. I will see you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye.